We're gonna make a gingerbread house.
So this is our second attempt at making a gingerbread house. Because what happened the first time?
What?
It broke. It came broke. All the pieces were already broken when we started. So we're trying again.
Alright.
Alright. Let's see what we got.
Can I taste it? Can I taste the frosting?
After we're finished.
Alright. Gingerbread. Ooh, that's cool. There's two of them in there. There's some cookies and then gingerbread. Already built.
Wow, it's already built. That's gonna make our job much easier. And these are the sprinkles.
And it's much easier.
And it's much easier. All right, so the first job we have to do is to squeeze, 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 squeeze. Can you do that one?
Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze,
You have to do it a lot, like squeeze, 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 squeeze. You're massaging it.
Okay, I'm all done massaging.
You're all done massaging it?
Yeah.
All right, trade. Yeah, baby.
Trade. It's a trade.
It's a trade. All right, trade.
Mommy. All done.
Okay. So, yeah, somebody already built it for us. Wasn't that nice of them?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're gonna do
It's so excited.
is decorate
With all of these candies.
with all the candies
Until we're done.
until we're done. That's right. So, first you have to decide. Let's see. We can pick which one is the front door, which one is the back door.
This one,
Is what?
the front door.
The front door. Okay. So, what do you want to do first?
This one.
Well, first we got to do icing. So, do you want to put some icing on the roof?
Yep.
All right. This is the point at which we failed last time because our icing bag was broken.
And now it's not.
And now it's not. So let's see if we can.
Can I help? Can I help?
Yeah, let me do one and then you can do one.
I see. Oh, wait.
right.
Is it hard?
Can you put some candies all along that icing I just did?
But, well, I want to try it. Can I try some candy? I'm so excited. Around and around. Around and around.
Can you put the candies in the icing? Here, I'll show you. Ooh. So, boop. Make all the candies go, not all the candies, but some of the candies go all along where the icing is. And Mommy will do some more on this side. Not in the mouth.
Okay, up. It doesn't fit.
You have to put it right where the icing is.
Let's do it so I can put it right here. And Mommy, it's your job with the candy.
Oh, it's my job to do the candies? Oh, okay.
And my job. Ah, we have a leak.
We had a, oh no! Well, maybe that's just our lot in life. To not have good gingerbread houses.
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
It's just an idea. That's all I thought.
What?
Yeah, I stopped listening to you a long time ago. Are you still?
Uh,
All right, put some candies on the roof.
On the roof.
On the roof, on the roof, on the roof, roof.
Yeah, you did it. Molly? That's no many icing. Oh, 1, 2.
Don't eat them. Put them on the roof. And you especially don't eat them. Oh, jeez. Don't put them where Sissy can reach them. And she'll just put them in her mouth. Stop eating all the candy. Oh, goodness gracious. Goodness gracious.
This looks like a falling cake from a tree.
It looks like candy falling from a tree.
Yeah.
It looks like a hot mess, I think.
The candy falling from a tree. Candy falling off.
My grandma used to do this every year. And they were like, good. Stop eating all the candy, Sissy.
Mommy!
Mommy! Sissy, get down. Hey. All right, now you're just eating all the candy too.
Does how many candy you want?
Stop eating the candy.
I'll take the candy.
Stop eating the candy.
Stop eating all the candy. Bring all the cake.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Aaron, stop. You cannot just take a big giant bite out of it. I'm not gonna let you do that.
Can I have some of that?
Do you know what this is?
What?
It's called peppermint.
Peppermint. Oh, I got it. Papa.
Yes, baby.
The Christmas trees on this side?
Yep.
Yay!
And put some feed to eat with seed.
No, not to eat. To put on the house. Like that.
What? Oh, I lose.
You lose.
When you get the red one, you lose.
When you get the red one, you lose.
Uh-huh.
It's an interesting game.
Yeah, it's ready. Oh, is it ready? Ah!
Not quite. Ah, did we lose a candy?
Yeah. It's called the candy mixer.
You're called the candy mixer because you mix the candy? All right, just so long as you mix more than you eat, little man. Is that possible? You to mix more than you eat?
I like you, the maker.
You like me to be the maker and you to be the eater? All right. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
It's beautiful. What do you think?
And now we have to make the cookies.
Well, maybe we're all at icing. Maybe we can eat these later.
Okay.
Okay.
Should we eat this?
Yeah, we have to let it sit first.
Or get hard?
Yeah. So, the example, our masterpiece.
We did it.
We did it!
It didn't fall apart.
And it didn't fall apart.
And we made Sissy and Aaron.
We made Sissy and Aaron. Yay!